good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rosa P. Sampaga. I'm 39 years old. I'm separated. I have one son, age 19 years old. My height is 156 centimeters. My weight is 48 kilogram. I'm a high school graduate. I work experience in Cyprus, Europe, almost of 3 years. There are 5 family members, 2 adults and 3 children, age 8, 14, and 16. My main duties is taking care of children, cooking, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, taking pets, gardening, car washing. I'm also willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I want to work in Hong Kong because earn money to support my family here in the Philippines. I am honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. Again, Rose and P. Sampaga, I promise finish 2 years contract. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.